Mandy here from scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Just got this lovely card that the lovely Karen McClure on my team sent me the other day. Isn't it beautiful? So today, and obviously the Stampin' Up catalogue. So today I've got some news to share rather than a project, and it's news about a change in how I go about my Stampin' Up business. And basically what's occurring is I am restructuring and changing a few things up. So the first thing is that I will no longer be providing the service known as Stampin' Selections kits. I've created these kits for over 2 years now. They've been really popular. I'm absolutely bowled over by how popular they've been. And in fact, if anything, it's been a little bit too popular. And it's got to the stage where these kits are taking an entire week of my time every month to create. That's from, you know, receiving the stock, dividing it up, emailing, creating PDFs, packaging, decorating, making thank you cards for them, labelling them, believe it or not, takes time, you know, and then obviously, you know, packing the boxes, taking them to the post office. Out of my working month, that takes me an entire week, and that is non-stop working week. And you know, every so often when you're running a small business, you have to have a look at the figures, and the fact of the matter is Stampin' Selections don't make me any money. Not a penny. Not indirect money in my hand. There are other ways you can make money as a demonstrator. You collect flex points, things like that, which go towards earning things like free product and ultimately incentive trips. And so I benefit in that way. And Stampin' Selections and, you know, and my sales figures look, for Stampin' Up, look, you know, really good. Last year I made number 5 in the UK for sales. That won't be the case next year because, you know, if I stop doing Stampin' Selections, my sales figure will drop. But although my sales figure, you know, is a little bit higher at the moment, the actual money that I'm making is negligible for a week's worth of work. You know, it's just not profitable for my, you know, and when in actual fact, it makes no money at all. So I'm basically doing them for free, which, you know, I don't mind. You know, I love what I do. I love being able to make sure people can get things, you know, on a budget and have a little bit of everything. The concept is awesome, but the reality is I'm running a business and I'm not making any money. So I need to think of other ways. And so that to free up an entire week of my month means I can focus on some other things. I've got a really strong growing team now. And my focus has to change from me, myself and I to my team. So I need that extra time now to you know, to encourage them and mentor them and help them to grow. And also I really love creating and making these kits. Means I have 1 week in a month where I can't do anything except for make those kits. And when it's not making any money and you're not gaining anything at all, you know, I'd rather be creating, to be honest. I'd rather be stamping, I'd rather be journaling, I'd rather be making more videos and sharing more projects. So it's bye-bye for now. Whether I bring them back in the future, I'm not 100% certain, but I can categorically say that creating kits is an absolute labour of love. And I have loved doing it, but it's time to move on. I've got other business enterprises in the pipeline as well, which I will announce as and when they come to fruition. I'm not ready to lift the lid on that one just yet. But yeah, I will be adding to my business portfolio, as the saying goes. And in the meantime, it means I can focus more on my creating and more on my team. You know, and if I lose my position at number 5 sales, so what? I don't care. I really don't mind, you know, because I don't do what I do for position and being, you know, I don't have to be the best at everything. I don't have to be the best at anything. I just like sharing. And so the other thing that I will say though is that, you know, this is my business. I do try and earn money to help towards my family kind of, you know, household budget, as it were. And so what I would say is those people that have supported me over the years with Stampin' Selections kits, you know, I would love you to continue to support me, and perhaps the monthly amount that you spent on kits, you would like to perhaps purchase something from my online store instead. That would mean the world to me if you would carry on supporting me. And I do say thank you to absolutely everybody. I have sold literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these kits over the last 2 years. You know, I've sold them to lots and lots and lots of people. So thank you to everybody. I do appreciate it. I would love you to carry on supporting me. Just support me, you know, through my online store and through my YouTube. And I will see you again very soon with some more projects, because, you know, that for a week's free time is going to mean a lot of difference for me. And it's going to mean that I can create more and I can share more. So thanks for watching. Thank you whilst I've been babbling on. And please do continue to support me in my online store. You can find the links in the description box below. Because I'm going to be poor now. I'm going to be eating beans. It's alright. I'm not bothered to like beans. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.